Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Symphony.
And your boy 2-3.
So today is Thanksgiving. We decided to do Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope your day is going well. But I'm gonna show y'all my plate really quick because I'm about to dig in. We don't have turkey this year.
And I'm hungry.
Just deviled eggs, barbecue wings. Barbecue legs. We got some ham. Glazed ham. We got the glaze on there. Y'all really can't see. We have dressing. We forgot our what is it? The red sauce?
I don't remember what that sauce.
We forgot the cranberry sauce. And we got some greens, collard greens. We got some baked macaroni. We got some baked beans, bacon in them. Did I already say deviled eggs? I don't know. We're just gonna dig in. I hope you guys can hear me well because I do got my microphone in. Matter of fact, let me stop yelling. Because
shout out to the chef. It's excellent.
Thanks.
I was eating everything before she made
First bite, baked beans. I forgot I gotta stop yelling because I already got my microphone.
Yeah.
Okay. This macaroni is a little warm. I wish I could have warmed it up, but the place was too big. Right.
He's like extra large plates.
It's so cheesy, but the kid's knocking at the door. Okay. The macaroni, I wish I could have warmed it up, but it is very cheesy. Okay. We already did the kids video. Oh, baby, she got hot sauce for the greens.
Okay.
Baby, I can't have me the hot sauce without watching out for the cords. So y'all know the kids gonna be in the background. They did their video. We're gonna upload their video later. Or they probably tomorrow.
Now we doing our video.
Try to edit it a little bit. Thank you. Is this some Tabasco over there or just, no, it's cool. This is cool. Thanks. All right. So y'all go that way.
Some what?
Is y'all going back outside?
No,
I'm gonna put some hot sauce on my greens.
no one got that for you.
All right, go back outside.
Move, Noah. Watch out for my cords. We is doing a little drinking today because we might not go to a family member's house. So that's what we drinking on.
A little bit of dew shot.
Okay, the greens good. I got the neck bones and I got them. I was gonna put the turkey meat in the dressing, but I decided to put the drums, the chicken drums. And the dressing is good. I just hope I wish I would have had not forgot the cranberry sauce. I know. Tell her to give it to you and come watch cartoons for a minute. So I'm doing my video.
Everything is really good.
Yeah. So the dressing. Let me try to get y'all a bite. I don't know if I'm close enough. I'm not close enough today. Oop.
Look like she dropped y'all bite.
I dropped a bite. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Try to just hit the like. If you're not signed in, sign in. Go ahead and hit subscribe. We appreciate y'all for watching. So we know we got the view, but we need more subscribe, and I don't know, tell y'all peoples. Tell everybody, right? Mm-hmm. Because we almost gave up what I did. And I'm gonna keep trying to keep them going. Come watch cartoons till I'm done with the video, and then you can get baby dad phone or your dad phone afterwards, okay? So
keep it going.
We really want to keep it going, but we got life, we got 5 kids, we got work, we got our marriage to handle, we got all type of stuff. So the ham, what do you think about the ham?
Man, good too. Everything's good. Ooh, I forgot I had some barbecue chicken.
Y'all know what didn't turn out right today. We gotta be honest.
What, the cornbread?
The cornbread didn't turn out right at all. And we tried to make it in the muffin pan. So we had little cornbreads and
What happened to them?
whatever it is. I'm about to smash these. I know once I taste them, I'm about to eat them all.
What happened to the cornbread?
So shout out to 2-3 on the double eggs because they good. I don't know if they is. I'm about to taste them.
They're good. They're good. Everything I make is good. Mm-hmm.
They finger licking. Finger licking. The ham, I'm gonna eat them again tomorrow too. Leftovers. I'm gonna be ham sandwich and eggs and
You want to make a ham sandwich?
we got some little barbecue wing leg drums, whatever.
I'm good too.
Barbecue sauce, but I need some spice.
I need some spice. Yeah, let me get some ham sauce.
See? Oh, and I burned myself when I was cooking.
No. Be honest, you wasn't even cooking. You grabbed up the pot that wasn't even on.
Oh yeah, I grabbed the pot
Wasn't even
and I
on.
burned myself. Yeah, the double is good, but that barbecue sauce is good, but that hot sauce just made it so much better.
You gonna put some hot sauce on top of your barbecue?
I can't eat with my pinky out.
Okay.
I'm about to eat. You, how many double D's you got? You have 5.
Like 3 more. Right, how many you got?
Did we ever trade plates? So that's why I got, You want one?
Nope.
I remember I gave you 5 and me 4.
Oh, you did that on purpose. You know what you was doing.
I said before we push play, we gonna trade plates, but I forgot. You forgot too, because I told you.
So, I was ready to eat. I was starving just smelling.
I know we're not talking a lot, but y'all see all this food is already getting warm.
Time to eat.
Well, I wish I had some onions on these greens. I don't know, y'all. I was trying to push play. I had to feed the kids. They wanted to do a video. We wanted to do a video and forgot the onions for my. I need to cut some onions up and lay them on top of these greens.
Onions going green?
Mine do.
Okay.
This ham is just falling apart. I wish I could warm my macaroni up, but I keep saying that.
You want that mac?
I wish we can see you in the video because I said on that part of it.
You see me? Y'all see me?
Yeah, babe. Okay. What I am gonna do,
What you want to do? Go push popping up. Oh, you like a maybe, sir? What you call that right there?
my drink, shit, shoot. I need some ice, but we're gonna work with that for now. I've been cooking all morning. Woke up a little late. And yes, this is how we spend our Thanksgiving, and I think it's so much better. I hope you guys is at y'all family house doing y'all doing y'all Thanksgiving the way y'all want to do y'all Thanksgiving, share with family, play games, do karaoke, you know, things we going to do in the future. But right now, all of our kids is so young. So we going to do the videos and share with you guys. And,
Our people. Y'all are.
you know, we all are family anyways, you know. So we doing our thing. And y'all do your thing. Hopefully y'all just eat with us. Like, hopefully I upload this fast enough for you. Everybody can eat together. Because it's early, actually, for us.
I don't know what time it is, though.
I don't know what time it is, but baby now, we're going to find out. What time is it?
Because he quiet right now.
No, we'll look at your phone. So,
Everything is good, though. As you said, I will do y'all bite. Y'all too far away today.
it's 2:30. I'm pretty sure people start eating at,
2:30?
is it late? Well, the kids ate earlier. Then we had to
Is it early?
get our stuff together. All right, go, baby doll. Yes. After I get done. Can you get some what?
Well, let's go play.
So, it's 2:30.
Let's go play.
We got some Oreo cupcakes in a cup with the little Oreo on top.
Yeah, like we really just made like some Oreo.
Oreo. Oh, we got Oreo in it too, huh?
I put them all in a mix.
With a nice glass of milk. Man.
The kids turned the milk blue. They got blue milk from the blue syrup.
You can't eat no Captain Crunch milk with no chocolate cupcake.
They had Captain Crunch pancakes.
And they put all. They should have just made them a cup and poured their syrup in there.
The video is long enough, unless you want to keep it going. I'm gonna keep eating, so I'm really leaving right here.
Share, comment, subscribe.
We're gonna eat all this. If the video too long, fast forward it. We ain't no telling we might get funny, we might not, but I'm about to eat.
You know, act like y'all ain't here. That's on point with it. That's on point with it. Oh, you ain't gonna eat all that. That's too much for you.
I know.
What's up, Safari? What'd you say?
You full?
So,
Well, you can eat your plate. For real, for real.
I'm full. Like that cupcake, gotta wait till later. Wash it down with that stuff.
This is mostly pop, but I probably don't even drink this. Probably just wasted it. I need ice.
You want a little bit of that? Put your cup up there. Go, put your cup up there.
I don't know. Oh my God.
Man, I'm full. I gotta get this plate away from me.
Is my microphone showing?
Hey, how you get there? They be
Amazon.
having them in the movies and stuff.
Amazon.
I didn't know you had one like that. Oh, so they can hear you. And you over there yelling like that earlier on in the
I know,
video.
that's what I said.
Man. Why you only get one? Why you get two? They can only hear you. They can't hear me. That's crazy. You make a movie with that. Pop it on.
You could do your raps on there.
Oh yeah, that too.
I'm full. I can't.
I am too though. I ain't even gonna lie.
How I'm gonna eat all this with my waist trainer up?
Oh, that's cool. Oh no, I might come right out.
It hurt.
It ain't got no room to chill around. It's
Right.
coming right out.
Which way?
Mom, I found this at
Okay, get out the. If you, I'm recording still. I'm about to probably cut this part out.
We ain't cutting it out. We ain't cutting it out. What, you want some more? Like, you ain't say nothing. Huh?
Ooh, he got me this little thing. I'm like, what did you bring me back to put on?
What? They ain't like them
Can I get baby my phone?
PJs.
I mean, they comfortable. It's comfortable, but
I get baby my phone
She
now.
wanted a pair of these.
I don't have baby doll phone, babe.
She wanted a pair of these.
I had baby doll with Timmy was. I didn't take it. He got him that,
Labor.
and I don't know what I'm rocking, but
Oh, but you rocking it. I mean, you rocking it.
go get the baby. Let him see Safari.
He is quiet. Why y'all be wanting to mess with him when he is
So I'm done eating.
nothing? Let me taste this.
If you live nearby, you can come get some of our food if you ain't going home to your family. Why you drinking with your pinky out?
That's how I drink.
Like this?
Yeah, Queen, could you push the button?